Why don't you grab your girls and come chill with us, y'all?
This is Adam and Butthole show. Yeah. So we just got back from Yogurt Jungle. Flavor is pretty gross, so we got a bunch of toppings and they ran out already. So we had to add our own toppings. Don't go there, it's horrible. Pretty
It
horrible.
was $6 just for this.
$6.
And it was 13 together.
$6 for some yogurt that's been frozen and spun around. I could do that myself. There's some Fruity Pebbles inside. Come on. So today I'm staying the night at Adam's house.
Yesterday I slept over a butthole.
Is there a cool light over here?
Well, it might be hot.
It's not hot. Never mind. Whoa. Well, we'll get back to you later on tonight. Adios.